Hi, hope things are going well. Today I wanted to talk about the top 6 items that are needed for a commercial loan request. So, for example, if you're applying for a business loan in 2019 to purchase a property or to refinance a mortgage that you have, what do you need to bring with you when you meet with the banker or the loan officer regarding your request? These are the top 6 items that the bankers tell me that they look for. The first item, 3 years of business tax returns, including all schedules. 3 years seems to be the magic number. And then there are schedules that are attached to your return that you need to provide as well. Should be pretty easy to get from your accountant if you don't have copies. Either a hard copy or a digital format will work. Next item, year-to-date interim balance sheet and profit and loss statement for all entities involved in the credit request. So if you have an entity that's probably going to be a loan guarantor, maybe it's the tenant and another entity owns the property, those entities, their tax returns need to be, their interim balance sheet and profit and loss statement need to be provided. The third item, business debt schedule for all of those entities. What debts do those businesses or that business have? And those have to be accounted for. Fourth item, 3 years of personal tax returns for the principal owners of the business. Chances are, unless you're a very large company, you're going to have to guarantee the loan personally, and the bank, the lender, wants to see copies of your personal tax return to determine what your income is and where the money's going. Next item, the fifth item, if you're buying a property, the bank is going to want to see a signed purchase contract so they know what you're paying for the property that you want to buy, and that will help the appraiser know what to appraise, of course. The last item, if you're going to be building a building from scratch, from the ground up, or you're substantially remodeling or renovating an existing structure, the bank is going to require an executed construction contract between you and your builder, which contract would include a schedule of values, and the bank will also want to see a set of plans and specifications. Depending on the amount of the loan, it wants to see that to determine whether the property can be constructed for that price that is in your construction contract. That's pretty much the basic information that a banker is going to need to get started on the loan request. My experience, and I know the experience of my clients, is that the more prepared, the more ready you are up front, the easier and quicker the process will be for you when you talk to the banker. Banker appreciates it. Let's make it easier for them to say yes rather than easier for them to say no. So, hope it's a great day. Thanks for listening.